Hello and welcome to this credit repair tip. This is just one credit repair tip from our How to Repair Your Bad Credit Tips series. There are 20 tips in total, so please make sure you view them all. The title of this free tip is called Tip 1. Understand how to repair your bad credit. Now, before I carry on, I want to give you a free gift just for watching this video. I want to give you a powerful free report called 47 Ways to Repair Your Bad Credit. Absolutely free, jam-packed with ways to repair your bad credit, which you can download for free by visiting this following link: www.creditraisingnow.com. That's Credit Raising Now as one whole word, not separated, but as one whole word. I will send you that report within seconds, so please do get it at Credit Raising Now. Now for your credit repair tip, How to Repair Your Bad Credit, Tip 1. Understand how to repair your bad credit. If you have a bad credit report, it is very essential to fix it as soon as possible. It is an important aspect for your financial future. You have to repair your credit score if you have a bad report. People with bad borrowings can face numerous financial issues in the future. You must contact your creditors and talk to them so that you do not spoil your credit score more. It is possible that you have got a bad borrowings due to reasons like some emergency in the family, not being able to pay the bills timely. You will get a free report every 6 months. You can do certain things when you get the report to avoid further spoiling of the score, like contacting people who have reported you as risk for bad credit. Contact credit company if there are any mistakes in the report. Clear out the difference. Do not allow any false listing, as it will spoil your score, even if wrong. If you have developed a bad borrowing report, it will take time to get better. Credit agencies will also aid you in making a plan for payment of debt. 3 credit agencies decide on the credit score. You can stop things from getting worse as credit companies report about your payment details to these agencies. When you have a record of not clearing bills timely, you can get a bad credit score. You must get a credit report to be able to fix or improve the rating. You can have a better financial future once you have repaired your credit score. It may take some time, but it can be done with proper planning and hard work. Well, that's it for this credit repair tip. But if you would like to receive 47 more amazing tips like this on how to repair your bad credit, then please get our free report, 47 Powerful Ways to Repair Your Bad Credit. You can receive this free powerful report by visiting this link: www.creditraisingnow.com. That's Credit Raising Now as one whole word, not separated, but as one whole word. Go on to the site creditraisingnow.com and go to the subscribe box. Simply enter your email address and I will email you this free report within seconds. And relax, I swear you will not receive any spam from me, but in fact I will be sending you other awesome credit repair related bonuses absolutely free. So go ahead, what are you waiting for? Enter your email address now and receive your free book, 47 Powerful Ways to Repair Your Bad Credit, absolutely free.